This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to use a PS4 controller on American Truck Simulator. First, ensure your controller has a full charge or is connected via a reliable USB cable to your computer. A stable connection is crucial for uninterrupted gameplay during your virtual journeys across the vast American landscape. This foundational step prepares your setup for seamless integration into the game's control scheme. Getting this initial connection established correctly will ensure smooth sailing and precise responses from your truck. Connecting your controller to your computer is straightforward, offering both wired and wireless options. For a wired setup, simply plug in a micro USB cable between your controller and an available port on your PC. If you prefer wireless freedom, first confirm your computer possesses Bluetooth functionality. Then, initiate the pairing process by holding down the PlayStation button and the share button on your controller for about 3 seconds. The controller's light bar will then flash rapidly, signaling its readiness to pair with your computer. Steam's Big Picture mode is incredibly useful for integrating your PS4 controller with American Truck Simulator. This mode essentially remaps your controller for seamless navigation within Steam and ensures better in-game compatibility. To access it, simply click the small controller icon located in the upper right corner of your regular Steam client. Once inside, you can easily navigate with your controller, accessing games and settings with ease. It truly transforms the experience, making controller usage much more intuitive for your virtual trucking journeys. Once American Truck Simulator is launched through Big Picture mode, head straight to the in-game options. From there, select controls to begin assigning your PS4 controller functions. You will want to map steering to your left analog stick and assign acceleration and braking to the right analog stick. Take your time adjusting the sensitivity for steering and calibrating dead zones to your personal preference. This fine-tuning is crucial for achieving smooth, realistic truck handling, giving you complete command over your heavy vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.